In case you haven't noticed, TOZO seems to be really popular here recently. They're usually up towards the top of Amazon's bestsellers list. And if you look for videos on TOZO earbuds here lately, they seem to be very popular. So of course I had to buy some of the new TOZO NC20 Pro earbuds to see if they're really that good or if it's just hype. And keep in mind, the price for these is only about $60 or even less if they're on sale. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. One thing that seems pretty crazy to me is it says up to 80 hours of playtime, even 63 hours with ANC turned on. I mean, I must have not been following headphones recently because I had no idea that was even possible. Although keep in mind, that's actually 16.5 hours on one charge and then 12.5 hours with noise canceling turned on, which means you could recharge your earbuds in the case 4 times before having to recharge the case. So yeah, that's still pretty impressive. These also have negative 52 decibel noise cancellation. They also have noise cancellation when on a phone call, which is always nice to have. Plus they have a 6 microphone system. And this can be connected to 2 different devices at once, making it easy to switch back and forth. They also throw in spatial audio for those who like extra sound effects, although I think it's going to depend on what you're listening to. And just to make sure that you're getting your money's worth, they also throw in what I think is probably one of the most feature-packed mobile apps for earbuds, with over 32 preset EQ modes, over 100 white noise tracks, and over 2,000 user-shared EQs. So plenty of options there. I think the smaller stem design of these earbuds is probably what I prefer if it's going to have a stem at all. I probably do like the style of these a little bit better than the AirPods. How the stem's a little bit smaller, it doesn't stick out quite as much, and I feel like they're pretty comfortable to wear for a longer period of time. You'll notice here on the charging case, you can double tap the smart screen to unlock the touch controls. You've got play, pause, music. You can adjust the volume, switch noise canceling modes, access different scene settings, or activate low latency gaming mode as well. The built-in LED display even shows lyrics while you're listening to music. It supports wireless charging and of course USB-C. I actually feel like these guys are throwing in every possible feature to give you your money's worth, which you don't always see from most of the larger brands. You can tap the earbuds once to pause, tap them again to play, double tap to go to the next song. I think the controls work pretty good on here. So after listening to these earbuds for a while, they definitely sound pretty good. They've got decent bass, good noise cancellation, and they really don't feel or sound like cheaper earbuds. But I think because there's so many ways to customize how they sound is probably one reason why a lot of people like these. I also think having the screen on the charging case is a pretty smart move. You don't even have to go into the mobile app. You can customize quite a few things right on the case without having to find your phone to use the mobile app. Again, it definitely feels like you're getting your money's worth or even more. Now, this is a mic test using the TOZO NC20 Pro wireless earbuds. Obviously, there's a lot of different variables on how things are going to sound through the mics. But again, here's a quick mic test using the TOZO NC20 Pro wireless earbuds. I don't think these are as slim as some of the other earbuds that I've tested, but do feel like a pretty good size, especially considering the battery life. Now, would I buy these over some of the more expensive earbuds out there? Maybe. Probably just depends on the sale price, because I don't feel like these are the best earbuds as far as sound quality, but they do sound pretty good. And I don't feel like they're the most comfortable compared to some of the others I've tested. I think overall value and the features you get for the price is probably one of the biggest reasons why TOZO has been so popular here recently. So in that case, yes, these are definitely worth it in my opinion. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.